In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and edit saved marketing email templates in Hubspot. We'll start by opening your browser and searching for Hubspot. Select the official Hubspot site so you land on the home screen. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your dashboard. If not, log in with your account, use your usual credentials and any two-factor prompts your company requires, and make sure you're in the correct workspace so you see the right assets. Once you're in, look to the top navigation bar and click Marketing. This takes you to the Marketing Tools area where all of your campaigns, forms, and emails live. From here, click Email. That opens the email dashboard. You'll see tabs and filters for different email states like drafts and sent messages and a list of your saved marketing emails and templates. Find the template or saved email you want to change. You can scan the list, use the search bar, or filter by owner or status to narrow things down. When you've located the right item, hover over it and click Edit. This opens the email editor for that specific template. Now you can start editing your email templates. The editor is block-based, so click any text module to rewrite copy, adjust headings, or update links. For images, select the image block to replace files, add alt text, and fine-tune alignment. If your layout uses buttons, you can edit the label, destination URL, and style to match your brand. On the left panel, you can insert additional modules like dividers, social icons, or spacers if your template allows them, and you can rearrange sections by dragging them into place. It's a good idea to review the settings area to confirm the email subject line, preview text from name and from address reflect your current campaign standards. Personalization tokens can pull in contact details, but use fallbacks so the message still reads well if data is missing. Always check the mobile preview to ensure fonts, images, and buttons scale correctly, and run a quick link check to catch broken URLs before you send. Save your work frequently as you go. If you're experimenting and want to keep the original intact, consider cloning the template first so you have a safe copy to modify. When your edits look right and the preview checks out, you're done. You've successfully navigated to your email library and opened your saved template for editing in HubSpot. Thanks for watching and happy editing.